Hello everyone. So today we'll again discuss one question from CAT 2020 slot 1. It's more over related to logarithm. Let's directly move to the question. The question says if log 5 to the base 4 is equal to log y to the base 4 into log root 5 to the base 6, then y equals. Now let's see. So this is the representation here. So there are a few things which you can understand whenever you're dealing with the log part here. Here, if a multiplication case is there, then I can shift this value to this part and I can shift this value to this part. Right? How? Let's try to understand this thing. So according to this, now let's try to identify this part itself, right? So here it's given log y to the base 4 into log root 5 to the base 6 can also be written as log y by log 4 into log root 5 by log 6, right, which in terms can be written as log y by log 6 into log root 5 by log 4, and that should also represent log y to the base 6 into log root 5 to the base 4, right? So the same thing can be represented in this format here, right? So I can say the representation is this thing. Now if this is the condition, I can rewrite this value as log 5 to the base 4 should be equal to half of log 5 to the base 4 into log y to the base 6. I can definitely cancel out some of the values here. So let's cancel out. I can cancel out log 5 to the base 4. If I have cancelled out this thing, I can consider the value as 2 should be equal to log y to the base 6, which can be represented as log 6 square to the base 6. That's nothing but log 36 to the base 6, right? So that reflects y should be equal to 36. That will be my answer, right? So this is a basic log question which appeared in CAT 2020 slot 1. That's all for today. Thanks for joining.